Dilai Porbot Saini Harlong Akor Cement Corporation of India pen HDP Hawar Kaching Thur Amuk Kideng Karbi Anglong Along Assam Cha Janogosti Jetya Mahasabha Akimi Asong Keseng Pini Asia Pacific Master Game kecepatan along bronze medal kelong abang pusikari inghi apan Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner pen Archoji Kardom ada berta long beneli berta than bang thare harmony bet na bertang ton pen Arjuik tha Dilai Porbot Limestone Mines pen Kaching Thur Amo Dengsi Dilai LP School along Barso kedo ahem lapen Kacheleng atawar ingpusi leda katnews along berta nang pale Dilai Porbot Limestone Mines asai kamati Cement Corporation of India pen hampang Kaching Thur la aparman Sayamu Dengsi Dilai LP School ahem Kasele Swatch Vidyalaya Abhiyan Pinsomar Barso kedo ahem lapen DS atawar pen 0 point Dilai Porbot Saini Sangki Anglongan Kacheleng atawar Citi ingko raket hom arni ingpusi radapan panong Kang pualong Dilai Porbot Saini Anglong mate Limestone Mines asai kam Dihin Director Sakti Mari General Manager A Sukla pen Chenglok Pinan Chokumar Atum Chitongdul Bokajan Subdivision ke Parlo Surhejan High Secondary School Ahamalang Citi ingko raket hom arni Assam Cha University Jetya Mahasabha Karbi Anglong amai ke singa berta Bokajan penili tuma pherangke lada kadyo salang berta nang pale Karbi Anglong along Assam Cha University Jetya Mahasabha kapacha thangji aphanpura Citi ingko raket hom arni Bokajan Subdivision ke Parlo Surhejan Higher Secondary School along EC Kangdang amai padu Assam Therapy amai Lubin Karmakar Pachathang Chunbang Ramnath Sundi Chom E Chunbang Anan Gor Lapen Aro Arim Amai Asongja Atum Kachetongdun Amai Abang Jurbel Malar Aphan Mai Phu Lapen Prasad Nabongsi Aphan Konchunbang Arpu Peksi Assam Cha Janogosti Jetya Mahasabha Karbi Anglong Aro Sengpon Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner pen non hejong ke pajut Asia Pacific Master Game kecepatan along bronze medal kelong Sikari inghi aphan Archoji Pusi Kido pen kadnews along berta nang pale Malaysia adet penang arong supi along non hejong ke pajut Asia Pacific Master Game meters Farok Rep Hokekat kecepatan along bronze medal kelong abangfu Sikari inghi aphan Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Ahin penta Karchoji aphan Pini Chisik Chidang Pontanglo Kido pen kadnews along berta nang kelo atengke Difu Circuit House along Arni Kangsam ke thomra achitim apor inghi aphan Karchoji aphan apor hotpon nan malam support han bertamu ton ponik sina
J&J Mandu has come to twist your taste with ethnic traditional dishes, noodles, rice, main course, beverages, soups and many more. A restaurant that makes you feel alive and energized. You can be out there enjoying the things you love. Parties like wedding parties and birthday parties are also taken up. On any occasion, the order must be given at earliest time. For more queries, please contact 9435-925-116. J&J Amandu, Difu Karbi Anglong Birla, near Bharat Petrol Pump. A family restaurant, a part of your family.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam thu tharmit adu thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar, India.
Dihina mupi putat berdalong wang tulung. Karbi jutuki asong pen citi ingko raket hom arni tarabasa along jutuki aradapan akejoy pen inki inket apan ki ap amisin ronsi akera pajir. Karbi jutuki asong pen citi ingko raket hom arni tarabasa Morning Glory Academy along. Arni si jutuki arad apan saikatiki pen ale kelong nangji aputhak cerok tok amai pado. Cerok tok amai along inki inket kepati amisin ta akejoy pen ronsi jutuki arad apan kera pajir. Katiki karche aputhak kajathan amayalong bang throknar kep chutuki abang phatum chitong dun ada berta bangla panse kang ton pulungla dume thangme kurwang thu